Hi boys and girls, so here I am. I'm going to teach you how to make a snow volcano. So I have my recipe here pulled up, and let's see what we need. And I have all my ingredients. So it says in my recipe here I need 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. So that's this. I need 1 spoonful of dish soap. So I have my dish soap. I need a few drops of red food coloring. So I have my red food coloring. And 30 milliliters of vinegar. So here's my vinegar, and I looked that up, and it's about 2 tablespoons, it said. And then I need snow. So I went outside and I got a big tray of snow. Now you can do this right outside in your backyard. You don't have to bring the snow inside like I did, but if you have a tray or a big container and you want to bring the snow inside and do this inside where it's nice and warm, you can, or you can do it right in your backyard or wherever your family says is safe. And then you're going to need a spoon. So I have a spoon here for my baking soda and my dish soap, and then you need a tablespoon or a spoon will work for your vinegar. Okay, now it says here on my instructions, oh, and you need a cup. So we need a cup as well. So I just got this cup that I can throw away when I'm done, or you can get a cup that you can wash when you're done. So it says add everything except the vinegar to the container and stir well. All right, so I'm gonna add everything to my cup here, but not the vinegar yet. So I'm gonna do the baking soda first, actually. So I need 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. So 1, 2, and this is to make a snow volcano. I think I told you at the beginning, which I have never done before, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, so that's about 2 spoonfuls. Let's do a little bit more. Okay, now I poured my baking soda onto a plate just to make it easy because it's kind of hard to pour it out of this box. Okay, and then I need 1 spoonful of dish soap. There's my dish soap, and I'll fill my spoon up and add a dish soap. Okay, and then the recipe for my snow volcano says I want a few drops of red food coloring, and then I have to mix it all together. All right, so that's for the lava. So this is going to be the lava. So there we go. I added about 4. Let's see, now I have to mix it up. So hold the cup and mix. Oh my goodness, yes, looking like lava. It's definitely red. Okay, you have to mix it all up in your cup. So the cup is what the volcano is going to erupt out of. Okay, so you can pick any kind of cup you want. I thought this would be a good one. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of clean up. Stir it well, it said, so make sure it's all stirred up. I'm going to clean my spoon off. And that's red enough for me. 4 drops was good of food coloring. Okay, now hold on. I have to rinse my fingers off because now I have my lava on my fingers. Good thing it's not hot. Couldn't do that to real lava. Okay, so now let's see what the next step is. I have to read my recipe. Next it says, carefully shape a volcano around your container using snow. Okay, now I'm going to put my gloves on because I don't want my fingers to be frozen. Okay, so if you're doing this inside or outside, make sure you're wearing gloves for this part. So here's my snow. So I'm gonna carefully, and the snow's kind of frozen. So let's see how well this works. I'm gonna put the cup down first. And then I'm just gonna kind of shape a volcano around it. There we go. So putting the cup in the middle and then making the volcano around it worked well. I'm trying not to get too much snow in my kitchen. Oh, there goes a little snow in my lava. That's okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. So, get a little snow in the lava, so hopefully it still works. So there's my volcano. It looks better in person than I think it does on Zoom. Okay, so I kind of shaped my snow around my mixture there. Okay, I can take my gloves off. Now it says, add the vinegar and watch as the volcano erupts. If it doesn't work very well, add a bit more wash-up liquid and vinegar and stir again. Okay, so here we go. This is the exciting part. Now, I'm going to take out some snow got in. I'm going to take out the snow that kind of fell in. So be careful when you're doing this if some snow gets in. But it says if it doesn't work, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little more dish soap and vinegar. Okay, well here, I'm gonna add a little more dish soap right now, if that's what makes it erupt. So I just added a little more dish soap. Stir that up. Okay. All right, so now here we go. Now I'm gonna see if this works. I'm excited. Okay, hold on, I have to rinse my finger off again. Okay, so I don't think I need to measure my vinegar. Well, I will for you. So I'm gonna pour it. It's about 2 tablespoons, and then it's supposed to erupt. Let's see if it works. Okay, so 1, 2. Let's see. I think I need more. You know, I'm gonna add more baking soda and dish soap. So if it doesn't work, they said just experiment. So I'm gonna add more baking soda and more dish soap and see if that fixes it, because it didn't erupt yet. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pour in a little more baking soda. Let's see. Oh, now that made something happen. Okay. Oh, okay, so adding the baking soda, it's coming up. Let me see if it's going to erupt. So it's kind of bubbling up. Let me add a little more. Hold on, I want a little more food coloring. Because I want it to be a little more red. So now I'm just acting like a mad scientist. Okay, so there's my lava. And then what I'm going to do is add a little more vinegar. And let me see if that will get it to finally erupt. Oh my goodness. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it. It's erupting. There goes my lava. Oh my goodness. It is messy science fun. So my volcano is erupting. So as you notice, I had to add a little more baking soda. So add 2 really big spoonfuls, boys and girls, when you do this. So add a good amount of baking soda and a little more vinegar. Oh my goodness, that was fun. Now, let me see on my page here, it says, why does it work? So vinegar and baking soda react together and neutralize each other, it says. And this reaction releases carbon dioxide, a gas, which is the bubbles you see. And the bubbles of gas make the washing up the dish soap, make the dish soap bubble up to give a lovely thick lava. All right, and it won't hurt you. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, but you can touch it. It's not hot like real lava, but it is a little messy. All right, so be careful. Don't make too much of a mess. Oh my goodness, I hope you have fun making your own snow volcano and watching it erupt.